Ever lost out on a hot load because your carrier packet wasn't ready, or a broker said, hey, I'm still waiting on your insurance? You're not alone. Today, I'm giving you a bulletproof digital-first system to get your packet broker ready extremely fast. I'll tell you exactly what brokers want to see, how to organize all of it. All right, before we get started, let's talk about LogRock. LogRock is the easiest and cheapest way to get truck insurance. You fill out one application, LogRock shops all the markets and finds you the best possible rates. We cut the complexity. We treat safety as a data problem, checking compliance 24/7, so you don't have gaps that cost you a higher premium, all right? Stop wasting your time and money. LogRock helps you get a quote in less than 5 minutes. Click the link below in the description, get a quote. Have you ever noticed how fast loads get posted and then removed from the load boards? It's like, I just saw it, my phone hasn't even, the phone hasn't even rung yet. Brokers get swarmed with calls and options for trucks within seconds of posting a lot of the time. Being first to the call is only half the battle. The other half, getting your carrier packet sent over to the broker and accepted. Just last week, one of my clients shared this. If you've missed a load, you know the pain. It sucks. Don't let it happen to you. Being broker ready is your reputation. After this section, ask yourself, could you email your packet instantly? Like right now? Right now. Can you do that? How fast? How long does it take you? All right, so here's what every carrier packet needs. There's no shortcuts to this. And one thing I'm gonna tell you up front, don't send anything that you're like, oh, well, maybe they'll accept that. All right, if you have to tell yourself that, hit the brakes, okay? Make sure everything looks good, is neat, is perfectly organized. No thumbs over things, crumpled up paper, none of that. First, your driver's license. A copy front and back that looks really good, super easy to read. If they can copy and paste from it, even better, okay? A nice PDF document, not some random weird image file, all right? It's easy to do this. Next, your contact information. This is the foundation of getting in contact with you and getting you paid. Do you want to do the load and not get paid? Make sure your contact information is wrong or not easy to access, all right? You need your company name and your mailing address, just as it matches on the MCSA, right? On your Safer profile. Your phone number and email, your MC and DOT numbers, your EIN, all right? And if you have a SCAT code, throw that on there too. All important things, all to make sure you get the load and you get paid for it after you've delivered it. The next thing you need is your certificate of motor carrier authority, all right? You get this after you've gone active. The MCSA mails it to you. Normally takes like 10 days. You can also call and get a copy of it emailed to you. For some reason, that still takes up to 2 days. That's the government for you, but that's another option if you want to get it faster. All right, third thing here, your W-9. This is the IRS form. You can download one. I'll put a link to it in the description. Make sure it's filled out correctly. Don't, shorten your name or anything. Make sure it's perfect, okay? You want to get paid. You don't want any issues. You don't want the broker calling back saying, oh, sorry, I can't do this. It's taking too long. I'm going to have to book another truck, all right? And always keep it up to date, all right? You have to redo that every year. Fourth thing, your certificate of insurance. This is so important, all right? And let me tell you something. Any broker can go look up who you have for auto liability insurance. You might have that same insurance company for all your coverages, but the MCSA website does not tell you, the broker, who you have for insurance, if you have trailer interchange coverage or non-owned trailer coverage, if you're doing power only, right? So you need a certificate of insurance that needs to be up to date. And even then, it's like in your broker packet or carrier packet, but your insurance agent's still probably gonna need to send one to the broker. That's something that LogRock is really special about. We have automated that for most brokers. So another reason to go with LogRock. Just wanted to throw that out there. Last but not least, anything related to your safety rating, all right, and compliance docs. If you've got a satisfactory rating, great, good job, all right? If it's conditional, you might want to have some things in here related to how you're getting back to satisfactory status, okay? Make sure all that's neat and organized, up to date as well. Pro tip, after every renewal or update, anything related to your company, the FMCSA, your tax forms, anything, right? Make sure you swap out those docs in your digital folder. However you have a digital folder, iCloud, Google Drive, a Dropbox, whatever you're using, make sure that's accessible on all your devices, easy to get to, easy to attach those documents or that entire folder to an email to send to your broker so you can do things quickly, all right? Again, treat your packet like a rolling resume, all right? It needs to be sharp, it needs to be current, everything up to date, and super easy to send, all right? First action here, locate your latest insurance certificate and your motor carrier letter of authority. It's the base layer of all this. A lot of brokers are using digital onboarding now, which cuts approval time by like 30 to 50%. Platforms like Highway, Truck Stops, My Carrier are all making it super simple. Digital isn't just smarter, it's faster and means less cash left on the table, less missed loads, right? After this, scan or snap your most recent documents and save it to your digital packet folder, all right? That is very easy to access on any device. What are some of the biggest packet killers, right? Your carrier packet. So like outdated insurance or missing your motor carrier authority letter, blank or unsigned broker agreements, handwritten or low quality document scans. I mentioned that earlier. Make sure everything's really clear, all right? Disorganized folders, making it hard to like scroll through stuff out of order. Make sure it's so easy for them that they can't tell you no, right? So let's close this out. Most delays are preventable. A bulletproof digital carrier packet is your key to more freight, fewer headaches, more money, and a reputation that gets you loaded, not left behind or canceled. If you've got a packet horror story or a quick tip, throw it in the comments below. Help out all these other drivers, all right? We've got a great community here. I want everyone to stay safe out there. Stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe. That always helps out the channel. And we'll see you in the next one.